Ong uba dan bakajing ya penbaik put ini kajing ya menjur ban penbaik yu put usam pendegat Sarkar Meghalaya bat kejela asam kalong temban kumbadi lilam ya kejaka sya kejela asam bat ong bang ngalapuai babun kejaka ke bahap kaput jong kejela Meghalaya bang asam isnai ban pik iki breu ki ba kendo iki jing bat kejing sya le don bor jing sya pendek hai bor penyat jong sarkar asam bat ulah keno ya sarkar jelah pok kejing yalam jong kontrak sengma maka melak ban pendek kloi-kloi ya kene kejing ya kejia dua pelong ku sok pedung iki baik ba nong sung snong ki badon hapok ki kaput jong ka jela asam bat susu ulong ba kejing bom sum kia jong ka sarkar jela ya kene ki isu lawan ra kejing dunong krau kam tam gitu ki baik ba ki basong hapok jong ki kap bodar ka ba ki la syak ban keni iki jakarat jakariang jong ki bat ki la syak ban pendek bun sen haki polis jong ka asam nak ba ki wan ban kini jubor ki jakarap bat bon wan thau jubor ya ki surok ha ukut usam jong kinong sung snong jong ka Meghalaya bat susu ulong ba ka bas ngusi kalang bawat haduk menta mene kene kejing syak pendik kejing syak penting jong kinong sung snong jong ka Meghalaya ki basong pok khap bodar kadang ye jia nakapor sakapor.
We see and what we take from our side, it is not a solution. We take it as a sellout, considering the feeling of the people living in those areas. So I've been traveling across the length and breadth of our state, especially Khasi Jaintia region. And yesterday, in fact, I wanted to speak on this issue. I fail to understand why this very important issue failed to find a place in the address of the governor. I don't know whether the government feels that this issue is no longer there, or maybe the government is not serious at all with the problem of the people living in the border areas. Before we discuss about the development and the facilities to be given in the border areas, first we need to understand that without a cordial atmosphere in the border areas, we will not be able to take developments into these areas. Because the Assam government every time will not allow the state government of Meghalaya to carry out developmental activities. And what is happening now? Harassment is still going on. It seems that there is a well-orchestrated plan on the part of the government of Assam how to drive our people away from these border areas or make them succumb to the pressure. Today, people living in the border areas, they have to pay tax to Assam government. And now, areas like Lapangap, they were asked to register the land with the Karbi Anglong district. These are the pressure that the people are facing in the border areas. So what I feel is that if the government of Assam is not adhere to the agreement, because if the government of Assam can carry out developmental activities in our areas and not allowing us to do the same, so I feel we need to review and relook into the agreement. So I was told by the people living in the Langpi area, there was an agreement between the government of Meghalaya and Assam that there should be no new settlements of Nepalese into Langpi area. But the Assam government did not pay any respect to that agreement. Till today, there's a new settlers coming from the Nepali community, and they keep on harassing, they are snatching away the land of all people living in the Langpi area. So, sir, I feel that the government needs to reconsider its decision vis-a-vis the problem with the Assam counterpart. I don't see that the Assam government is respecting us. In fact, what I could see on the ground is that the Assam government is more emboldened in these days. And just last month, they have brought JCBs up to Khanduli to dig the road in Khanduli. And that has been stopped by the people. So this situation in many border areas is still so tense, and I'm sure that with a spark, one day the maybe unfortunate incident could take place again, like what happened in Mukro.